the Hefti-Lift units provide reliable, powerful lifting when moving and positioning loads. The manual hydraulic foot pump yields 3/4 of an inch of platform travel per stroke. The units roll smoothly on 2 rigid and 2 swivel poly-on steel casters with foot-operated brake. They are designed of welded steel construction with chrome platform upright. Each fork is 4.5 inches wide by 2.5 inches high. The fork length is the same as the platform length. The overall fork width is 22 inches. You can remove the platform when forks are needed. 3 steel models have a platform size of 23 by 24 inches and a capacity of 880 pounds. The largest steel model has a capacity of 1,500 pounds and the service range is 4 inches to 63 inches. Extended length models platform size is 23 by 40 inches. The Hefti-Lift models are not for use with pallets. Stainless steel models are compact, lightweight, and capable of turning in a small radius when space is limited. A built-in automatic load check valve is included for improved safety. 2 stainless steel models are available. The smaller model features a hydraulic foot pump, while the bigger model comes with dual-acting manual hydraulic hand pump. Partially stainless steel model comes with a foot pump and has a 450-pound capacity. The air-powered units are great in manufacturing or distributing facilities when space is limited. The single-speed foot pump and handheld push-button control raise forks to the desired location. The foot pump can be utilized to maneuver the table height to a precise position. The unit requires a hose diameter of 1/4 inch and an air pressure of 72 to 100 psi. All Hefti-Lift models include a removable platform. For reliable, powerful lifting, check out our line of Hefti-Lifts today.